Packing up at the end of the session is mostly a case of returning everything the way you found it. Before we explain a few pointers, we also want to mention that if you ever run into problems, have questions, or you're not sure what to do, the session leader is generally available to make a quick decision. But remember, all of us are volunteers, and sometimes our session leaders might also need troubleshooting or advice. The best thing to do when you're not sure what to do is to use common sense and initiative as best you can, and to then document the issue and the actions you took in the form of an email or Facebook message to our committee. We're all really supportive and understand that everyone is still learning, and so if you can let us know in as much detail as possible what issue arose and how you dealt with it, the committee can then follow up with whatever steps are necessary. So back to packing up. Please ensure everything is packed away neatly, safely, and as you found it. Return all iPads and laptops to the kitchen, making sure their charging cable is plugged in. Please leave the internet dongle switched on, as it will make connecting to the Wi-Fi quicker next session. Wash and pack away any dishes that were used. Cloths from the cleaning station need to be washed before being used again. If you want to do this at the toy library, you can use the laundry powder under the sink to hand wash them and leave to dry, ready for the next session, but some members prefer to take them home to wash instead. If you do this, please replenish the cloths with new ones from under the sink so there are enough for the next session. Pack away the loans and returns trolleys, the trestle tables, the bin, the foldable carts, and any toys that were left outside on display, including the puzzle trolleys and costume trolleys. Empty all bins, including the bathroom bin, and don't forget to replace the bin liners, which can be found in the bottom kitchen drawer. Bags of rubbish need to be taken to the large bins located next door at PCYC. Remember to lock the toilet and to turn off the lights and aircon. Before everyone leaves, the session leader needs to head to our website to fill in the session summary form. Look under the Members tab of our website. This 1-minute form will let the committee know which volunteers have now completed their volunteering requirements, and it's also where you can let the committee know which new members signed up, how those members paid, whether there is any cash to be collected, and whether there were any issues that need to be communicated. This form should only take about a minute to complete and is available at geraldtontoylibrary.com.au/summary or by scanning the QR code on the door on your way out. Once the summary form is filled out and the front door is locked, everyone is ready to go home. The session leader will return the key to the Aquarena, and that's the end of a standard volunteering session. Our toy library is completely dependent on volunteers and couldn't exist without them. So thank you for your really valuable contribution to our community. It really is appreciated by all of us.